On July 26, 2022, Susanna went missing on her way home from a friend's house. And at the trial, her friends and family would tell the court that they received Life 360 alerts that showed that she'd been involved in a possible car accident. And soon after this, they saw that she'd left the location of the accident at a high rate of speed. However, her remains wouldn't be found until February of 2023. And investigators would find Miles Bryant's gun, which he'd reported missing, in the woods near her remains. Investigators also connected Bryant to Susanna through his job, where he was a courtesy officer at the apartment complex that Susanna had visited that night. On top of this, they also had cell phone location evidence and internet search history that connected him to her disappearance and murder. Now, his defense tried to claim that the prosecution can't prove that Bryant caused her death, just that she was in his car and that he left her in the woods. This was because, due to the state of her remains, the coroner wasn't able to determine her cause of death. The prosecution also brought out Miles Bryant's ex-girlfriend to dispute his alibi that night, and they presented evidence from a previous case where he'd stalked one of his friends and attempted to break into her apartment. Him attempting to break into his friend's apartment was also caught on ring camera, so there's no way of disputing it. And the defense, despite their shoddy excuse for a justification, rested their case without presenting any witnesses. Miles Bryant was convicted of the following charges: malice murder, felony murder, kidnapping, and false report of a crime. After his conviction, he was sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole, as well as an additional 12 months for the charge of filing a false report.